Saudi Aramco, safety supervisor, question and answer. Question, definition of work permit. Answer, work permit is authorization to perform specific construction, maintenance, inspection, and repairing activity on specific equipment in specific area. Question, define safety. Answer, freedom from risk or harm, loss, or injury. Question, what is potential hazard? Answer, anything that can cause harm to people, the environment, assets, and business. Question, what is restricted area? Answer, location that have been designed by the proponent origination manager as requiring implementation of the work permit area within 23 meters, 75 feet of H2S containing line. Area within 15 meters, 50 feet of energized power line. Any plant gas, oil or chemical processing unit. Question, cold work permit. Answer, any activities that will not produce sufficient energy to ignite flammable atmospheres or combustible materials. Question, define hot work. Answer, any activity that may develop enough spark, flame, or heat to ignite flammable atmosphere or combustible material. Question, what is confined space? Answer, any area which is generally not designed for human occupancy. Limited means of entry and exit is called confined space. Question, example of confined space. Answer, vessels, valve box, manhole, boiler, tank and excavation more than 1.2 meter etc. Question, what is E.O.? L. B. Equipment opening, line break. Answer, any activity associated with the initial opening of equipment that is a part of closed system that may contain hazardous material. This permit may be used for oil and gas contain pipeline, H2S contain pipeline, nitrogen contains pipeline, hazardous material contain line like sulfuric acid. Question, define LOTO. Answer, lockout and tag out is the safety procedure to prevent the accidentally start-up of machine. It is used to protect the people. Form injury. Question, LOTO where installed? Answer, on electrical equipment, LOTO installed on junction box and barker or switch. On mechanical equipment, LOTO installed on valve. Question, what is work at height? Answer, any work above 6 feet and 1.8 meter from ground level is called work at height. Question, scaffolding definition. Answer, temporary elevated working platform for support both man and materials. Question, scaffolding tag signature and validity. Answer, above 1.8 meters to 6 meters, tag sign by Aramco approved, scaffolding supervisor. Above 6 meters, tag sign by Aramco approved, inspector and both validity 2 weeks or 14 days. Above 12 meters and heavy load, needs scaffolding plan, prepared by certified scaffolding engineer. Question, what is lifting? Answer, shifting of material from one place to another place by using machine is called lifting. Question, Types of cranes. Answer, mobile crane. Hydraulic crane, overhead crane, gantry crane, tower crane. Question, rigger level 1 capacity. Answer, lifting over 40 ton. Question, rigger level 2 capacity. Answer, lifting up to 40 ton. Question, rigger level 3 capacity. Answer, lifting up to 10 ton. Question, what is critical lifting? How past this plan and rigger level 1 capacity? Answer, lifting, over 40 ton. Lifting, near overhead power line. Lifting, near population area. Lifting, near railway line. Lifting, in night time. Lifting, in plant. Lifting, more than 85% of rated crane capacity. Tandem lifting, 2 or more lift, tails lift, more than 2 lift, critical lift, plan approved by only certified, Aramco rigger level 1. Question, what tandem lifting? Answer, any lifting operation which involving 2 or more cranes, use is called tandem lifting. Question, what is TWA and SWL stand for? Answer, TWL, for time weighted average. SWL, for safe workload. Question. Crane, man basket and scaffolding maximum, working air speed. Answer, man, basket 25 km per hours. Crane lifting 32 km per hours. Scaffolding 65 km per hours. Question, lifting, requirement? Answer, work permit, critical lift, plan, crane inspection sticker, crane checklist, rigger certificate, and operator certificate, and license. Proper barricading and warning signage, ground level and ground compaction. Use of outrigs with base plate, proper grounding, no oil leakage, always use a tag line, rope, to control load movement, safe distance from power line, boom safe angle 45. Question, lifting, hazard. Answer, crane fall, overturn, overspeed, oil leakage, mechanical failure, overloading, wind speed more than 32 km per hour, ground surface is not level. Question, crane and overhead line power line distance. Answer, 15 meters 50 feet. Question, what we do before start welding? Answer, hot work permit, trained and certified welder, trained fire watch, UL listed, fire extinguisher, wet the area, and cover swear, proper PPEs, barricading the area, post-warning sing, fire blanket, good housekeeping the area, face welding shield, leather welding gloves, long safety shoes, ground the welding machine. Question, what is pass stand for? Answer, P, for pulls the pin, A, for aim the base of fire, S, for squeeze the lever, S, for sweep from side to side. Question, gases level. Answer, oxygen. 20% to 23.5% normal to perform job. Less than 20% use scarber and division head sign. Above 23.5% not work allowed, H2S, 10 ppm, or above breathing apparatus, must use, 10 to 100 ppm use SCBA, and division head sign, 100 above not work allowed. CO, 35 ppm, or above breathing apparatus must use, 1000 ppm, or above no confined space, entry allowed, LEL, above 0% LEL, no hot work allowed. 5%, 0.5, to 10%, 0.1, breathing apparatus must use, 10%, 0.1, or above no work, and confined space entry allowed. Question: what is IDLH limit of H2S? Answer: immediately dangerous life, to health 100 ppm above. Question: what is fire? Answer: chemical chain of reaction of fuel, heat, and oxygen is called fire. Question: class of soil and angle use in excavation. Answer: rock slope angle, 90 degrees. Class A, tight cohesive soils such as clay, rock and slope angle, 75 degrees. Class B, loss cohesive soils such as mixed soil, rock and clay slope angle, 45 degrees. Class C, least cohesive soils such as gravel sand, freely slipping, soil safe slope angle, 34 degrees. Question: excavation type. Answer: mechanical excavation. Manual excavation shoring, benching, and sloping, used to protect cave-in. Question: what is the attachment of excavation, before taking permit? Answer: pre-excavation, checklist, daily excavation, checklist, equipment, checklist. JSA, job safety analysis. HIP, hazard identification plan. MS, method of statement. Confined space entry plan. Excavation plan. Question: excavation hazard. Answer: collapse of sidewall, fall hazard, improper access, toxic gases, flammable gases, electrical hazard, fire hazard, slip, trip and fall. Poor housekeeping, proper sloping, shoring method not used. Biological hazard etc., snake, bacteria, scorpion. Question: requirement of excavation. Answer: work permit, hot or cold, pre-excavation checklist approved, daily excavation checklist, hard barricading, deep excavation visible sign, proper access, proper PPEs, standby man with log sheet, most responsible person. Gas taster with gas monitor, warning lights. Soil identification, use of a ladder, to enter into the trench. After every 7.5 meters, 25 feet. Shoring, benching, and sloping, dewatering. Question: Saudi Aramco maximum safe angle of slope. Answer: 34 degrees type C. Question: excavation machine are not to operate closer than how many meter? Answer: 3 meters, or 10 feet. Question: benching the horizontal step and vertical rise between each step should be approximately how many meters? Answer: 1.2 meter 4 feet. Question: keep away motor vehicle, crane and heavy equipment. Shall be kept from edge of excavation. Answer: 2 meter, 6.5 feet. Question: spoil piles should be placed at least how many feet? The edge of excavation. Answer: 2 feet away. Question: scaffold should not be erected near the excavation. Answer: 1.5 times depth of excavation, depth 1.5 times. Question: how much distance between excavation and heavy equipment? Answer: 2 meter. Question: confined space entry requirements. Answer: confined space work permit. With hot or cold permit, confined space entry supervisor, confined space properly isolated, before go inside, gas testing, before entry, gas log sheet, multi-gas taster, proper light, mechanical ventilation, barricading, with authorized person entry sign, entrant person trained, proper PPE, like SABA, SCBA, use communication method, ERP, and confined space, standby man, with visible vast, horn log sheet, and gas meter. Question: confined space communication method. Answer: face-to-face, hand signal. Verbal communication. Radio communication. OATH method. In this method use a rope and lifeline. Question: how to report in emergence. Answer: call to 110 or 911 control room. 3 times say, "This is an emergency call." Describe incident location. Describe the incident. Report injury if any. Give your name and badge. No. Repeat above information. Last, stay online for further instruction. Question: fire extinguisher. Answer: a device which is used for extinction of fire particularly is called fire extinguisher. Question: define emergency. An accident that has a potential to cause serious injury and loss of life. Question: how many feet away from power line? Answer: 10 feet away from up to 50 kV, 15 feet away from 50 kV to 200 kV, 20 feet away from 200 kV to 350 kV, 25 feet away from 350 kV to 500 kV, 35 feet away from 500 kV to 750 kV, 45 feet away from 750 kV to 1000 kV. Question: H2S emergency action steps. Answer: evacuate the area. Sound the alarm. Assess the situation. Protect rescue plan. Rescue the victim. Revive victim. Get medical aid. Question: color coding for fire extinguisher. Answer: water, red color, foam, cream color, dry powder, blue color. Question: define risk. Answer: the likelihood that a hazard will cause harm in combination with the severity of injury, damage or loss that might foreseeable occur. Question: what is risk? Answer: a risk is a chance high or low that any hazard will actually cause somebody harm. Question: what is difference between incident and accident? Answer: any unwanted, unplanned occurrence is called incident. Any unwanted, unplanned event which leads to injury, damage or loss is called accident. Question: define risk assessment. Answer: a formalized process of identifying the risk that they generate, and then either eliminate or controlling the risk.